Alright, good morning. So, yesterday we had a outside day. We broke the high and we broke the low of the previous session. Values was slightly lower. That we had these two sessions back to back. We broke below value here, and we attempted to go through value for this session, but we bounced right at the monthly VWAP. I'm sorry, and then came back into the range of the previous session, but we're not able to come back too much inside value. We kept coming in and out of value for this session. So now overnight we have inventory about 90% long. The settlement was here at 69.60, and now we're trading above yesterday value inside this two sessions value. So lower prices are being rejected as of now. The point of control, which was at 45 for a long time, shifted up to 69.64, and this market is pretty much in balance. Look at, we're getting a nicer distribution now for the past 20 days. But we do, if you look at what, we had a few bearish imbalances that they got all cleaned up, and we have a lot of buying tails. So this is a market that wants higher, but it's not able to go higher so far. So you can see that we have a nice access to the downside, but we don't have it to the upside. It's like a P-shaped profile in the last 20 days. So I'm looking for buyers to be able to attempt to break this highs. So far they haven't been successful. We'll see if today we just had the jobless report, but nothing really moved much. We started going a little higher, but it's kind of like stalling now. We do have 10 a.m. Existing home sales, and we have a 30-year bond auction at 1 p.m. which could be a market mover. And then we have CPI tomorrow, so that might give us the fuel that we need, but so far pretty much in balance. So when the market is in balance, what you want to do is, when we get to the edges, look for reversals back towards the middle. That's it. If we get to the lows, look for a reversal. Now if you see that we get to the edge and we start putting a lot of volume, a lot of order flow towards that side, we might see a break, and if we see a break out of this range, it could be significant, just because we spent a lot of time in this area. But we'll see. This market's hasn't been strong going either direction lately, so it could, maybe we break higher and then we just keep grinding higher. I don't know, like anything could happen. We need some this market is waiting for more information as of now. Seasonally speaking, we have starting a little bit of a pullback starting next week into March. That's seasonality. That doesn't mean that it will happen, but statistically speaking, we do have a pullback starting next week. So for today, what I'm looking for is value area high as my line in the sand. If we stay above it, stay long, looking for these highs to be tested. If we get back inside value, then looking for value area sweep to close that gap to settle, test this high volume node, and get to value area low for yesterday. If we do get below that, then I'm looking for this lows to be retested, this yesterday's low, and then this what day is this? Monday's low. So these two lows to be retested, and then see if we can break below this area again. But I'm finished this testing this poor value from this session right here from Friday. But basically 69.78 is my line in the sand for today, long above, short below. Silver, gold, they're all, you know, not doing much. They're just kind of like consolidating in this area, both of them. Crude, I mentioned yesterday, if we fail to break above 66, watch for this 64.20. We came back to that, and we're just still trading in this range. Nothing much happening here. So that's about it. Just keeping it short for today. All right, good luck.